Welcome, girls. Good morning. I hope you're doing well and fine. Today's day is Monday, and the date is 23rd of March 2020. Our subject is English. Our title of the lesson is Phonics Vowel Sound of Y. Now, before we start, we have two sounds of Y, I and E. The letter I and E. Sound of Y. The Y steals the sound of I and E. In a one-syllable word, Y says I. For example, fly, cry. Can you hear the sound of I at the end? Excellent. In a two-syllable word, Y says E. Happy, sorry. Can you hear the E sound at the end? Excellent. Now let's move on. Vowel sound of Y. For example, in the short words, the letter Y sounds like I. In the long words, the letter Y sounds like E. Short words: fly, try, cry. Long words: happy, puppy, muddy. Words that have the I sound at the end: fly, cry, sky, dry, try, my, buy. These words end with the sound I at the end. Excellent. Words that have E sound at the end: lucky, sunny, handy, silly, puppy, muddy, city, bunny, happy, hungry. These words end with the sound E at the end. Excellent. Sentences that have vowel sound of the Y. Now, before we start, number 1. I didn't eat breakfast and I was very hungry. Remember, hungry, hungry. What sound can you hear at the end? Hungry. I or E? The letter I or E? Hungry. E. Excellent. I have a puppy named Spot. Puppy, puppy. Puppy ends with the letter E sound. Excellent. I love to fly on the plane. Fly has the I sound at the end. My pup acts silly. Silly ends with the E sound at the end. Excellent. The cat cry on my lap. Cry. It ends with the I sound at the end. My ends with the I sound at the end. I am lucky to have a pup. Lucky has the E sound at the end. Excellent. Thank you, girls. Now, I want everyone to go to the chat room and answer the question that I put there for you. And open the PowerPoint and watch these videos. Thank you.